Okay, so this is my first attempt to put the EVP that we did on Sunday in the very scary furnace room. Actually, it was Jen and Darlene doing her first EVP, and it's an excellent EVP. And we took a little capture here for you, give you an idea of what you're going to hear. At 19 on the counter, Darlene is going to ask for a response. Then at 28, we get one. Then at about 32 on the counter, she's going to ask a question, and about 35 on the counter. Listen carefully and let us know what you think you hear.
I'm going to knock. I was wondering if you're down here with us, if you can give us some kind of sign that you are with us. Were you murdered down here?